what is this? This is a caterpillar, okay? What does a caterpillar turn into when it gets old? Do you know? Good, it turns into a butterfly. So a caterpillar turns into a butterfly. Yeah? Great. Today, I am going to show you how to make a caterpillar. This is very easy, okay? To make a caterpillar, you need toilet roll holders, okay? These are made from cardboard and they are recycled, okay? So when you have toilet roll, when you are finished, keep these, okay? Keep these, do not throw them away, recycle them, okay? You will also need some scissors, a knife. Remember, when you use your scissors or your knife, ask your mum or your dad to help you, okay? Because they are very sharp and we do not want you to hurt yourself, okay? You also need a stapler with staples, 2 small pieces of pasta. You can buy this from the supermarket, okay? You will also need some paint and some plasticine, okay? Okay? So, first, what we do is we take our toilet roll holder, okay? And we are going to cut twice. The first time, we take our scissors, okay? And we just cut like normal, okay? Like this. So now, it opens up like this, okay? So we have cut. So now we look where our line is. We can see our line is here, okay? We take our knife, remember, ask your mum or your dad to help you, and we make a small cut on the other side, okay? A small cut on the other side. This is so we can fold our caterpillar, okay? I will show you. So we make a small cut on the other side, then our caterpillar will fold like this, you see? Like this. So we have folded our caterpillar, okay? We can also cut off any extra bits that we do not want. So we have folded like this. Okay, now we have folded our toilet roll holder. I have some more here. Now is the fun part. Now we can paint them, okay? So take your paint. I am going to use red and maybe yellow. So I put some red on here first and I will paint one part red. So we take our paintbrush, put it in our paint and we paint red, okay? So I will paint one part red. Okay. There is the first part finished. Okay. Now we take our paintbrush and we put in our water to clean it like this. Okay. Okay. Now our paintbrush is clean. We can take another color. This time I will use yellow. So I take my yellow and I put on here. And then I take my paintbrush and I put in the yellow paint and I paint like this, okay? Like this. I paint yellow. So, I have made some earlier. We have lots of different colors here, okay? I will show you them. We have yellow, pink, blue, green, What color is this? Is this blue? What do you think? This is lilac. Ooh, this is light purple, okay? So now we have our different parts, okay? Now I will show you how to put them all together, okay? Now we take two like this and we turn them over. Then we take our stapler, okay? And where they meet, here and here, we put our stapler on and we just like this, okay? Remember, if this is difficult for you, ask your mum or your dad to help you, okay? We will do this 3 times. So 1, 2, 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. 3 staples. And now we have our caterpillar's body, okay? So now we must make our caterpillar's eyes, okay? How many eyes does our caterpillar have? Our caterpillar has 2 eyes, okay? So to make our eyes, we must first take our pasta and we must paint our pasta black, okay? We must paint our pasta black. So we take our black paint, we put on here. Then we take our paintbrush, we put in our water to make sure our paintbrush is nice and clean, okay? Then we put in our black paint, okay? And just a little bit on one side, like this. Are you watching? Okay? We just paint one side very carefully, like this, okay? Very carefully, like this. Now we have 2 eyes for our caterpillar. And we put our eyes on the front of our caterpillar, okay? 1, 2, like this, okay? Now we need to make some eyelashes for our caterpillar and a mouth for our caterpillar. We have made the eyes, we must make the eyelashes and the mouth for our caterpillar, okay? To do this, we take our paintbrush. Now, I am using a very thin paintbrush. Can you see? Like this, very thin paintbrush, okay? So we take our paintbrush and we just dip into our black paint, like this, very carefully. We dip into our black paint, okay? We want very little. And now we just take our paintbrush and we do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a little more. 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, okay? Now we must paint the mouth. We have done the eyelashes, now the mouth. So here we can just take our paintbrush again and do 1, 2, like this, okay? This is the sides of the mouth. Now we just paint a smile on our caterpillar, a smile, okay? And we do this like this. Okay, so our caterpillar is happy, not sad. It is a happy caterpillar, okay? Great. So now we can decorate our caterpillar, okay? We can use more paint or we can use glitter. First, I will use a little paint, okay? I will take some green here and I will put a little green on my caterpillar, okay? So we take some green paint and I am just going to paint some squares on my caterpillar, okay? Just some little dots and some squares on my caterpillar, okay? Like this. 3, 4, like this, and maybe some green glitter. Okay? Like this. Maybe we do some up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. Okay? So, now our caterpillar is finished. Did you make a caterpillar? If you did, I would really like to see your caterpillar. So, why don't you take a photo of your caterpillar and send it to me at this address here, okay? Also, if you have any good ideas for things that I can make, why don't you send them to this address too? And hopefully, next time we can make them together, okay? But we have no more time today, so I will have to go now. Don't worry though, because I will see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.